So hey guys, welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. Again, this is Overker and welcome you all after a long time. Today, our main objective for this video would be the weekly outlook for the next week. The next week is for the July 2025, and let's see how the week is going on and how the past data shows us. If it's the past weeks, so many weeks, we will realize that we were range trending, range bound in this area. Then the previous week, the mid of the June, we have swept out the high of the previous month, and then we were going lower and lower. And if you see, we have aggressively closing below from the 2 weeks, and we are also disrespecting the 50% area of the bullish candle. That's a clear sign that we are going the bearish. So we can also see the change in state of delivery, which is right over here, and this thing is confirming that okay, the order flow is currently shifting, and we should look for the bearish setup in the upcoming week. But up to where we can see the bearish setup, so let's mark out those. First, we can see that this area right over here, which is a no wick, so we can expect price to come up to this area and then go higher. And after that, we have the second area, which is right over here. If you see that this area, we can also expect price to reach up to this area. Okay, these are the two areas which I am looking forward to. And the vertical line which you are watching right here in the video is it a new quarter opening. I will tell you in the when I go to the daily time frame what's that is. So this is a weekly anticipation that how the this week I am expecting to go on. First target should be like 3202, and the next target should be 3122, and these are the anticipation for me this week. So let's move to the daily time frame. So if you see the daily time frame, we have swept out the monthly high, which is right over here, and we have also closed aggressively below this area. This is the weekly change in state of delivery, and this is the daily change in state of delivery. And also we can see the order block formation, which is right over here. The sweep of the fair value gap and then aggressive closing below. So this area we can mark out the order block. So we can expect selling from this area. Then why this area is important? Let me tell you from the weekly time frame perspective. If you see the weekly time frame right over there, if we mark out the previous week candle from low to high, this area is coming into the 50% area. So that's a good sign that price might retrace up to this area in the Mondays and Tuesdays, or in the Tuesday in the New York session we can see the huge sell off coming up to these areas, or in the Mondays in the Asian session we can make a shallow wick from this area, and then we can continue lower. And these are the two areas which I am looking forward to the this week. And let's see how the price goes. If we use the standard deviations on the daily time frame, the price is telling something else. It is going from 2800 or 2900. So let me mark out from the low to the high the standard deviations from the low to the high. It is marking the minus 10 minus 2. It is the 3002 area, which is right over here. And the second 2.5 deviation is showing up this area, and that is 2930. But these targets are like too big. But currently we will be focusing on trading only in this range, and we're expecting price to come to sweep out this low, and after that this low. And this is the current week expectations from by gold. And euro and gbp are not clear at this moment, so I'm avoiding that until the next week. So let's see how the next week goes. And also I have a Discord community. The link is in the description. You can join that and subscribe this YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.